Hey, gentlemen, you know what today is, right?
Fantasy football draft day, baby!
You know what that means.
It's time to think of the punishment for this year's loser.
Right.
All right, now let's keep it shameful but realistic. We do not need a repeat of 2011, remember?
How could we forget? That was the year we wore Hawaiian shirts on draft day, and Steve was still riding high on his 2010 league win.
The champ is here!
Relax, it's a new season. You just got lucky picking Chris Johnson last year.
Not luck, my friend. Genius. Not only did I pick him, Catherine and I are naming our baby after him.
Chris Johnson?
Well, Chris Johnson Johnson. He had to have my last name. And you can bet I'll be scooping him up first round this year. Ow!
And he did. Johnson was a bust. Left Steven dead last, but he was too much of a coward to pay the loser's bet, wearing the I Heart to Fart t-shirt around the office.
I wore that to your wedding. But that's not what happened at all. We were sitting around sporting those mustaches we grew to look like former QB Jeff Hostetler when Steve came in running his mouth.
The champ is here!
Oh, great, everyone. Steve's here.
It's pronounced champ. Now, let's decide what shameful act one of you losers will be doing this February when I win again.
Got the perfect idea to shut you up, Steve. You're going to be choking on your own words and Mr. Williker's tongue, because this year's loser's kissing the boss on the mouth.
Oh! Yes!
Yeah, you'd probably do that to get a raise. It's on like Grey Poop on.
What? Then he started a defense on a bye week and got slaughtered. Blamed the whole thing on his kid being born. Never saw him again.
Which was uglier, the loss or that awful baby? Anyway, you're both wrong. We were in boas and sunglasses from that awesome Elton John concert the night before when Steve came in.
The champ is here! The champ is here!
Yeah, the champ is here. Great. You said that already.
Yeah, it's called the repeat, gentlemen. It's what I plan on doing this year. So let's lay down a big old bet. Loser has to get a sex change, because they ain't fit for a man's world.
Pretty misogynistic, or transphobic, I guess. Either way, that's when he disappeared.
You.
Steve?